Hello everybody, this is Adgear and I'd like to make my review on the American Crew Classic Firm Hold Styling Gel. This big bottle. It's a really great gel. I've been reading a lot of reviews how it holds really good and it shines. That's very true, it does do that. And also what I like about this gel is it doesn't flake. Even when it's on for a long time and even when you fall asleep and you're not able to take a shower, it doesn't flake or do things like that, so it's pretty nice. And the 33.8 fluent ounce 1 liter bottle, it lasts a really long time. If you don't need a lot of it because it's so strong, it'll last you 3 or 4 months. It has for me 3 or 4 months, so it's definitely high quality gel and I would definitely recommend it. It's one of the best gels around that I think, because I've tried many gels and this seems to be one of the best. That's my review on the gel.